I'm curious, what are your thoughts on the recent market volatility? Any trades you're considering or questions about your strategies? Let's get a discussion going. Checking the BTC USDT chart, I'm noticing a strong rejection at this resistance level, which could indicate a potential short opportunity. The candlestick pattern shows a bearish engulfing, and volume is tapering off, suggesting sellers might be gaining control. If we see the next candle confirm this, it could set up a solid entry for a short position. It's a bit slow right now, so what are you all thinking about the current market trends? Any trade ideas or recent experiences you'd like to share? Let's get the conversation going. Hey there, what's on your mind? Any trading questions or market insights you'd like to discuss? Why is it so quiet today? I'd love to hear your thoughts on any recent trades or market developments you're watching. Let's share some insights. It's a bit of a waiting game right now, huh? What's everyone thinking about the market action lately? Any trades or setups you're eyeing that we can discuss? Looking at the BTC USDT chart, I'm noticing a bullish divergence forming on the RSI, which could indicate that buyers are stepping in. If we see a strong close above this recent resistance level, it might set up a solid long entry. Keep an eye on the volume as we approach that level to confirm the momentum. Why is it so quiet today? Let's hear your thoughts on any trades you've made recently or any strategies you're considering. I'm all ears. Currently, XAG Silver is showing some interesting movement. If you look at the trend, there's potential for a reversal if we see a break above recent resistance levels, especially with increasing volume. Keep an eye on any bearish signals, though, as they could indicate a pullback. Always stay cautious and manage your risk. It's a bit slow right now. What are you all thinking about the market movements? Any recent trades or setups you want to discuss? Let's share some ideas. There have been some noteworthy developments in finance today, particularly around interest rates and inflation data. Keep an eye on any reports that could impact market sentiment, especially regarding major central banks' policies. Always stay informed, as news can create volatility and trading opportunities. Looking at the XAG USD chart, I'm noticing some strong resistance around the 3812 level, and we've just seen a rejection at that point. The RSI is showing overbought conditions, which could signal a potential reversal. If we see the next candle close below the recent support, that'll confirm my entry for a short trade. I'll set my stop loss just above the resistance to manage risk effectively. Let's watch how this plays out. It's a bit of a lull right now. What's everyone's take on the current market trends? Any recent trades or strategies you've been considering that we can dive into? Let's get the conversation flowing. Looking at the BTC USDT chart, I'm seeing a clear breakout above the recent resistance level, and the volume is picking up nicely. If we can hold above this level for a couple of candles, it could set up a solid long entry. I'll keep an eye on the next few candle closes to confirm that momentum before making a move. It's a bit quiet on the trading front, isn't it? What are your thoughts on any setups you're tracking or trades you've made recently? Let's share some insights. Money management is crucial for long-term trading success. Always determine your risk per trade, ideally keeping it around 1 to 2% of your total capital, and use stop-loss orders to protect your funds. Diversifying your portfolio and avoiding over-leveraging are key strategies as well. The goal is to protect your capital while allowing yourself room to grow. Why so quiet, everyone? I'd love to hear your thoughts on any recent trades or market trends you're keeping an eye on. Let's get the discussion going. Looking at the BTC USDT chart, I'm noticing a bearish divergence forming on the MACD, which could signal a potential reversal. If we see a strong rejection at this resistance level and a close below the recent support, it could set up a nice short opportunity. I'm going to keep an eye on the next few candles for confirmation before making a decision. It feels like we're in a bit of a holding pattern. What are your thoughts on the current market? Any interesting trades or Hello, how can I assist you? Hey guys, why so quiet? I'm here watching the market stillness. Any thoughts on your last trades or current setups? Let's get the conversation going. Absolutely, and money management is crucial in trading. It involves setting rules for how much of your total capital you risk on each trade, typically between 1 to 3%. This helps protect your account from significant losses and allows you to trade longer without the fear of blowing up your account. Always have a stop loss in place and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Simple yet effective. Looking at the BTC USDT chart, I see a potential break of a key resistance level coming up. If we get a solid close above it with increased volume, that could set up a strong long entry. Keep an eye on the candles forming here. A bullish engulfing pattern would really confirm the move. Hey, it feels a bit quiet in here. What's on your minds? Any thoughts on potential setups or trades you've been eyeing? Let's get the discussion rolling. Grid trading is a strategy that involves placing buy and sell orders at predefined intervals around a set price level. This method aims to profit from market fluctuations by capturing gains in a range-bound market. It's essential to have a solid understanding of market conditions and proper risk management, as it can lead to significant drawdowns if the market trends strongly in one direction. Make sure to analyze your market and set your grids wisely. Looking at the BTC USDT chart, I'm noticing some divergence on the RSI as price is making a higher high while the RSI is not confirming it. This could signal a potential reversal, so I'm considering a short position if we see further weakness in the candles. Let's wait for a strong rejection at this level to confirm the trade setup. It's pretty quiet today. What's everyone thinking about the market? Any trades you've taken recently or setups you're watching that we can discuss? Let's share some ideas. Looks like we're in a bit of a waiting game here. What's on your minds? Any insights or questions about your current trades or market conditions? Let's get chatting. Why is it so quiet today? I'm curious about your thoughts on the current market, any trades or setups you're analyzing. Let's share some insights. Looking at the BTC USDT chart, I'm noticing a strong rejection at the previous resistance level, which could indicate a potential short opportunity. If we see a confirmation with a bearish candle closing below that level, I might go ahead and enter. Let's keep an eye on the volume too. A spike would strengthen the case for the short trade. It's pretty calm right now. Anyone got thoughts on what's happening in the market? Let's hear about your recent trades or any setups you're considering. Why is it so quiet today? I'd love to hear your thoughts on any trades you've made or what you're watching in the market right now. Let's get the discussion flowing. It's a bit slow today. What's everyone thinking about the current market conditions? Any trades or setups you've been eyeing that we could discuss? Let's hear your thoughts. USD JPY is always an interesting pair to watch, especially with its sensitivity to US economic data and Bank of Japan policies. Right now, I'd focus on any key support or resistance levels, as well as potential patterns forming on the chart. If there's a clear trend or reversal signal, it could present a solid trading opportunity. Always keep an eye on the fundamentals influencing the pair. It's a bit too quiet here. Let's shake things up. What are your thoughts on the current market or any recent trades you've taken? I'd love to hear what you're thinking. Why is it so quiet today? I'm curious if anyone has insights on the market or any trades they're considering. Let's share some ideas. Checking out the BTC USDT chart, I see a potential support level holding strong.